Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh. Hello guys, how are you? I think you would be fine and may Allah keep you and keep you safe from the modern time and modern disease coronavirus. So let us come to the point. We were reading about writing of Prem Chand. The our first writing of Prem Chand is Poos Ki Raat. Poos, what is Poos? Do you know? Poos means the eighth month of Poos is also a month, Hindi month. It means that is the month of harvesting. Okay, and that would be a very cool night or cool day, cool season, winter season. Okay, so let us come to the point. हल्कू ने अपनी बीवी से आकर कहा, शहना आया है, लाओ जो रुपए रखे हैं उसे दे दूं। हल्कू came to her wife came to his wife and said, Shahna has come and demanding his money, so give me the money, whatever you have, I will repay him. किसी तरह गर्दन तो छूटे, एनी हाउ आई विल गेट सेव, आई विल बी सेफ. Okay, I will get salvation. Means I will be free of this problem. मुन्नी मुन्नी बहू झाड़ू लगा रही थी. पीछे फिरकर बोली, 3 ही तो रुपए हैं, दे दूँ तो कंबल कहाँ से आएगा. मुन्नी Munni, the lady Munni was sweeping out. She said, turning back, there is only 3 rupees. If I will give you whole, then how you could get blanket? Means how, from which money you will buy blanket. माघ पोस की रात खेत में कैसे कटेगी. हाउ वी कुड पास नाइट ऑफ माघ पोस इनटू फील्ड. उससे कह दो कि फसल पर दे देंगे, अभी नहीं है. यू शुड से हिम वी विल पे योर मनी ऑन हार्वेस्टिंग टाइम एंड नाउ वी हैव नो मनी. हल्कू थोड़ी देर तक चुप खड़ा रहा. हल्कू kept quiet and stood for some time. और अपने दिल में सोचता रहा. And kept thinking in his heart. पोष सर पर आ गया है. The winter season is very close. बगैर कंबल के रात को वो किसी तरह खेत पर नहीं सो सकता. He could not sleep in field without blanket. मगर शहना मानेगा नहीं. But शहना will not accept his words, will not convince. वो घिड़कियाँ देगा, गालियाँ सुनाएगा. बला से जाड़े में मरेंगे, ये बला तो सर से टल जाएगी. He will scold me and he will recuperate me. But anyhow I will die. I could die with problems of winter, but I want to be safe from such problems of शहना. ये सोचता हुआ वो भारी जिस्म लिए हुए, जो उसके नाम को गलत साबित कर रहा था, अपने बीवी पास गया. Thinking this, he went to his wife with his Thinking this, he went with heavy body, who was opposing his name, and went to his wife and said, और खुशामदाना लहजे में बोला, and said in adulatory accent, ला दे दे, गर्दन तो किसी तरह बचे, कंबल के लिए कोई तदबीर सोचूंगा. ओह, गिव मी. anyhow I will get safe, I will be safe. I will think I will make another plan for blanket. मुन्नी उसके पास से दूर हट गई और आंखें टेढ़ी करके बोली, कर चुके दूसरी तदबीर, ज़रा सुनो कौन सी तदबीर करोगे। मुन्नी became Munni became away and she said with croaking eyes, ah, you have made another plan. Okay, just listen me out the your listen me out your plan. कौन कंबल खैरात में दे देगा? Who will give you blanket in charity? न जाने कितना रुपया बाकी है जो किसी तरह अदा ही नहीं होता. Don't know how much money is remaining. Anyhow it does not repay. It does not pay out. मैं कहती हूँ तुम खेती क्यों नहीं छोड़ देते. I am saying why are you not avoiding farming? Why are you not leaving farming? मर मर कर काम करो, पैदावार हो तो उससे बाकी अदा करो. You are doing so hard work and whatever you are getting product harvest, you are paying out the remaining money, remaining loan debts. चलो छुट्टी हुई, बाकी चुकाने के लिए ही तो हमारा जन्म हुआ है. ओह यस वी बिकेम फ्री दैट वी आर born for payment of we are born for remaining payment. ऐसी खेती से बाज आए, मैं रुपए न दूंगी. I think I should leave such farming. I will not give you money. No, I will not give you money. हल्कू रंजीदा होकर बोला, तो क्या गालियाँ खाऊं? हल्कू said to be sad. Then what? I have to get abused by शहना. मुन्नी ने कहा. मुन्नी said, गालियाँ क्यों देगा? Why he will abuse you? क्या उसका राज है? It is his rule. मगर ये कहने के साथ ही उसकी तनी हुई भुएं ढीली पड़ गईं. But with saying this word, her tied up eyebrows became loose. हल्कू की बात में जो दिल दहला देने वाली सच्चाई थी, because there was a reality in the words of हल्कू which was shocking. मालूम होता था कि उसकी जानिब टिकटिकी बांधे हुए देख रही थी. It seems that she is looking at हल्कू with his gazing eyes. With her gazing eyes. उसने ताक पर से पैसे उठाए और लाकर हल्कू के हाथ पर रख दिए. She took the money from Nish and put it into the hand of हल्कू. फिर बोली, खेत मजदूरी में सुख से एक रोटी तो चैन से खाने को मिलेगी. Then she said, we could get one bread in farming. We could eat one bread peacefully in field work. किसी की धोनस तो न रहेगी. Nobody will afraid. We have no fear of anybody. अच्छी खेती है, मजदूरी करके लाओ, वो भी इसमें झोंक दो. What field? We are doing hard work and whatever we are getting, we are burning that into that field. उस पर धोनस अलग से. And along with that fearness, along with that fairness more means there is whatever we are getting we are losing and we are putting a whole money into hands of other, and this other person means who has given us borrow are showing upriding us. हल्कू ने रुपये लिए और इस तरह बाहर चला कि मालूम होता था वो अपना कलेजा निकाल कर देने जा रहा है. हल्कू took the money and he came out of house that it feels he is going to give someone his heart. उसने एक एक पैसा काट कर 3 रुपये कंबल के लिए जमा किए थे. He has collected 3 rupees for blanket from one through 1 paisa means he collected 3 rupees from by one paisa. वो आज निकले जा रहे हैं and those 3 rupees are going out of his hand. एक एक कदम के साथ उसका दिमाग अपनी नादारी के बोझ से दबा जा रहा था. With every single step his brain was getting depressed under the burden of his poverty.